Hey there. Have you ever found yourself in a pinch when Apple Pay doesn't work as expected? You're at the checkout, ready to leave, and then BAM! Your Apple Pay gets declined. It is so frustrating, but don't worry. In this guide, we'll tackle the common issue of Apple Pay being declined and learn how to fix Apple Pay declined quickly and efficiently. We'll walk you through several tried and tested steps to ensure smooth, hassle-free transactions. Step 1. Check your connection. The first thing to ensure when Apple Pay gets declined is a stable internet connection. Apple Pay requires either Wi-Fi or cellular data, and interruptions can result in a declined transaction. Check that your iPhone or Apple Watch is connected to the internet. Try toggling airplane mode on and off to reset the connection quickly. Step 2. Confirm card information. Next, make sure your card details are correctly entered. Open your wallet app, tap on the card you're trying to use, and review the information. Sometimes the smallest typo or an expired card can be the culprit behind declined payments. If necessary, update your card information or contact your bank for assistance. Step 3. Verify your device setting. Your device settings might also be contributing to the problem. Go to Settings on your device, navigate to Wallet and Apple Pay, and ensure that Apple Pay is authorized and set up correctly. Additionally, ensure there are no restrictions on transactions. Check for any software updates that might be pending, as updates can fix bugs affecting payment processing. Step 4. Ensure sufficient funds and bank approval. Make sure you have enough funds in your account. Even with a valid card and connection, insufficient funds will lead to a declined transaction. Additionally, your bank could have flagged the transaction as unusual. Contact your bank to confirm no holds or alerts are preventing the use of Apple Pay. Sometimes banks decline transactions for security reasons if they're flagged as suspicious. Step 5. Check with the merchant. Sometimes the issue might be on the merchant's end. Not all merchants are equipped to accept Apple Pay, and occasionally their systems may be experiencing downtime. Ask the cashier if other customers are experiencing similar issues with Apple Pay. Trying a different payment method or visiting another branch might help. Step 6. Reboot your device. A simple yet effective solution can be restarting your device. Rebooting your iPhone or Apple Watch can resolve temporary glitches that affect Apple Pay's functionality. After doing so, attempt the transaction again to see if the problem persists. Step 7. Re-add your card. If none of the above steps work, try removing the card from Apple Pay and then re-adding it. Open the Wallet app, select the problematic card, tap on the More button, and choose Remove Card. Once removed, re-add the card by following the prompts in the Wallet app. This can often resolve underlying issues with card recognition errors. Encountering a declined transaction with Apple Pay can be inconvenient, but by following these steps, you can quickly learn how to fix Apple Pay declined issues. From checking your connectivity and card details to rebooting your device and consulting your bank, these strategies should help restore your seamless Apple Pay experience. Remember, technology isn't perfect, but knowing how to troubleshoot effectively saves you time and stress. So go ahead and try these tips and continue enjoying the convenience of Apple Pay wherever you go.